5 Best Monitor Arm Wall Mount 2024. 1. HUANUO. The ultrawide TV monitor arm accommodates screens from 22 to 35 inches, supporting weights between 6.6 to 26.4 pounds, and Visa patterns of 75 by 75, 100 by 100, 100 by 200, 200 by 200 millimeters. Its versatile design allows full motion articulation with stability at various angles, tilt, plus 85 degrees to minus 30 degrees, swivel, 180 degrees, rotation, 360 degrees, and easy one-handed adjustments for customized viewing and work preferences. This wall mount maximizes space by folding to 3.15 inch/8 cm from the wall, max horizontal extension, 15.2/38.6 cm, featuring integrated cable management for a clutter-free workspace. The built-in gas spring system facilitates smooth adjustments and supports elevating monitors to eye level, reducing strain on the neck, shoulders, and back. Simple installation for wood stud and concrete walls takes under 10 minutes, making it suitable for various settings, excluding drywall alone as a mounting surface. 2. Mounting Dream. The TV wall mount is compatible with most 26 to 55-inch TVs weighing up to 77 pounds and supports Visa mounting patterns from 75 by 75 mm to 400 by 400 mm, featuring a central design for perfect alignment. Offering full motion capabilities, it tilts the TV up 5 degrees and down 15 degrees to eliminate screen glare, swivels left or right to accommodate seating positions, and extends to 16.7 inches while retracting back to 2.7 inches, providing flexibility for TV placement, even in corners. Installation is simplified with clear instructions, labeled hardware, and plus or minus 4 degrees post-installation adjustment for precise TV leveling. A bubble level and paper template are included for easier installation, and additional concrete anchors are available if needed. Crafted from heavy-duty aluminum and steel using robot welding technology, the mount ensures durability and safety. 3. HUANUO Dual Monitor Wall Mount. The HUANUO Dual Monitor Wall Mount is designed to accommodate 17 to 32-inch flat/curved monitors weighing up to 17.64 pounds, with Visa compatibility, 75 by 75 mm and 100 by 100 mm, suitable for wood studs, solid concrete, and brick walls, ensuring stable installation. Offering extensive flexibility, the mount provides plus or minus 35 degrees tilt, plus or minus 90 degrees swivel, and 360 degrees rotation for optimal viewing angles. Equipped with a premium gas spring tested over 20,000 times, each arm supports up to 17.6 pounds, promising durability and smoother movement. Ergonomically, it allows for adjusting monitor height to alleviate strain on the neck and shoulders, enhancing comfort and productivity whether standing or sitting. By freeing up desk space, this wall mount keeps workstations organized, thanks to efficient cable management that tidies cords and creates a clutter-free environment. 4. Pipishell. The TV wall mount is designed to accommodate various TV brands like Samsung, Sony, LG, Vizio, TCL, Element, Scepter, Hisense, and others, suitable for screens ranging from 13 to 42 inches and up to 44 pounds, with a maximum Visa/mounting hole spacing of 200 by 200 millimeters. The mount offers full motion capabilities for optimal viewing, allowing tilting of +9 degrees per -11 degrees to reduce glare, swiveling up to 90 degrees left or right and 360 degrees rotation for landscape and portrait orientation. With an extension of 14.59 inches and a retractable design to 2.7 inches, it saves space and enhances viewing or working experiences. It's a universal monitor wall mount suitable for various monitor sizes from 13 to 35 inches, particularly ideal for larger computer monitors with VESA patterns from 75 by 75 mm to 200 by 200 mm. By functioning as a full-motion monitor wall mount, it frees up desk space and promotes ergonomic computer screen installation, benefiting posture improvement. 5. Amazon Basics. The product is designed for versatile wall mounting options, specifically for concrete, brick, and wood stud walls, single stud. It supports TVs up to 80 pounds with a display size range of 26-inch to 55, and is compatible with VESA sizes from 100 by 100 mm to 400 by 400 mm. The mount provides a comfortable viewing experience with a tilt range of +10 degrees to -5 degrees and offers articulation from 2.6 inch to 16.3, featuring a 180-degree swivel. The package includes essential hardware such as mounting equipment, a bubble level, a mounting template, and a user manual. This flat panel TV wall mount ensures secure mounting and adjustable features for dynamic viewing experiences, with various styles available to suit individual preferences. The mounts are adaptable, extending from the wall and securely affixing into wood wall studs, made of durable materials like heavy-duty aluminum and powder-coated steel, ensuring long-term secure positioning. Above are the top best products. I will put links to these products below the video description. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the latest reviews and comparisons.